In this tips and tricks video, we will cover how to export STL files from your iTero scanner and myiTero account. Begin by selecting New Scan and inputting the patient data on the RX form. Select the type of procedure you will be scanning for. In this example, we are doing a study model/eye record. On the Send To drop-down menu, select myiTero.com account only. This will ensure we can export it from the web portal later. Proceed with the normal steps to capture the data for your selected procedure. Post-process the scan and trim any extraneous data. Once complete, click the Send button. The scan data will then be sent to your myiTero.com account and will be indicated on the patient page. Next, open your web browser and navigate to myiTero.com. Visit your patient's page and select the patient that you scanned the data for. Click the Export button and ensure you have these settings selected. For export type, select Open Shell. For data format, select Files per Arch, arches oriented in occlusion, and for file type, select STL No Color. Once export is clicked, a zip file containing the STL files will be saved to your Downloads folder. These settings ensure the models are exported in byte relation. The STL files will be a separate upper and lower STL located inside of the zip archive. Thanks for joining us with today's tips and tricks.